How y'all doing today? We got two Gilson lawnmowers we're going to talk about. Let's get into it. Here's the first one. They are, both of these are 70 model Gilson lawnmowers. This one has been not original paint. I think these rims would have been painted too, to be honest with you. But I did not do it. Somebody put a club cadet seat on it. It's pretty comfortable though, man. I gotta say. And I'm not sure what these do. Maybe it was for the deck or something. No, because the deck would have been right here. But here's the motor. I'm not sure if anybody know what size motor this is. Please leave in a comment. I'm not sure what size it is, but it's weird. Because when you look at when we go to the other one, you'll see a little difference. Right here, they don't have no rubber in between here. And I don't know why, unless whoever done this, when they put it back together, they eliminate the rubber. I'm not sure. This will be for the going to the deck. The deck pulleys will be right here, going around. And here's, well, this is your e-brake. This is for this part here to lock and brake in place. And this is I guess be, I'm not sure. It comes in here, and then you can pull a pulley around. They got a pulley here to this pump here. I think that's a hydraulic pump right there. And then, but this pulley from here, you got gear in it right here, and it go down here. And when you push the brake, release the brake, it tightens this belt up. But it's a pretty cool lawnmower. This one though, I will say, well, if you're in third gear and you ain't paying attention, it will lean you back. It will throw back some. This one, somebody have done some repainting on this thing, because this got yellow on it. And everyone I've looked at, most of them are red. I've looked up more like what I got over at the other one. So let's go look at the other one. And here's the other Gilson lawnmower. Now this don't have original engine in it. The original engine blew up on me. So we got this 16 V twin motor, and it does run. This is for the deck, cutting the deck on and off, but the way I had to do it, I had to put this on here so you can engage it. And I just got this piece of wire right here just to keep it, make sure it don't drop and get engaged or any time when you're just running around, you know. Same tank on it. The foot pedals on this thing is different than the other one, and I'll show y'all again on the other one. But see that rubber is for shot, so it don't, when it vibrates, it takes some of that vibration up. And here's the gear shifter. And the same thing, got this, but don't have that pump that sits right in here. I don't know if both of these have different gear ratios. I'm not sure. But I use this a lot of pulling stuff. I built my own little racetrack from RC cars, and I use this thing to drag it, to flatten it out. I've had this drive shaft break right there where it bolts. I've had to weld that once, and so far we're good. Haven't broke it again. Somebody put a Ford deck on it, because that's definitely clearly going to say Ford under that paint on it. I did have to cut this bracket off to fix the drive shaft. All I have to do is weld that back like so. And somebody have done that before. I guess they had a drive shaft issue with this thing before, and they did okay job, I guess. It's together. They didn't penetrate too well, but I can fix that. Ain't no big deal. We're gonna fix that here. But see the seat. That's what the seat should look like. Not a club seat, obviously. And this thing do have a choke, a key switch. Because this and you see the pulleys for the deck can go here around the front like that. See, the other one's missing this whole bracket here. This whole top bracket is missing on the other one. See, like I said, the foot pedal's different. The gear shift, the brake right here for the clutch is the same. This is for killing the power. It shorts it out. Like when you turn your key, it should kill it, but this one don't. So whoever done it, they put a toggle switch in. Man, they painted everything. They must have a good price on this color paint, man. Because they painted everything. Fittings, lines. Probably once one painted the belt. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this content. If you do, please leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. And we do have a go-kart here. If y'all want to see videos on that, please tell me. Leave it in the comments and below. Y'all have a blessed day. Cats with Zero Regrets Studios signing out.